While this will be touching on politics, I'll try to keep focus on how these certain events ran parallel to activity in the markets. For whatever it's worth, I don't have a dog in the upcoming election. I really have a equal disdain on the two candidates. That said, though, as one is being unbiased, one thing I can say, this is the image of a man that is getting a ticket right into the White House. But first, introductions are in order. I am MB, your crypto soul brother from another mother, here to keep sanity from the hype and the drama. And this is the Mobile Noble channel. Now, let's continue on here. And as we proceed, we see here it is almost 5 in the morning here on this lovely July 15th, Monday morning here. So we're catching things real early in the morning here. And as this space never sleeps, we see here that Bitcoin here is at just under 63,000. It has been dancing up down above it, which is certainly a jump up from last week. Certainly a few days ago when it was just around 58,000. Even after the Thursday uh, Thursday word of the feds, things were still hovering around 58. Things gotten around 58, 59, and when tragedy nearly stuck the will be president, soon to be President Trump here. And unfortunately, they also took out a innocent bystander that protected his family. But as things unfolded Saturday, that's when this price here jumped up. And well, let's take a look at that here. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time in here because it's pretty straightforward. But as we see here, as we go into the weekend, as we go into Saturday, price here has been hovering around, like I said, it's been hovering around 58,000 going into Saturday, in the wee hours of Saturday, and things have been pretty much been hovering around that. Nothing crazy was going on. And then keep in mind that the shooting in Pennsylvania, Raleigh, that occurred around 6:11 p.m. So military time. That breaks down to 1800 hours. So that's where you see things spike up to. Well, that's when you see things spike up to 59,000 here. And so as we follow the crosshairs, things as the day wind down, as we went to the 14th, that's when we started breaking 60,000. So, yeah, for as we all know, Trump is alive and well, and that news was very shortly relayed moments after the incident occurred. And the markets, the 24-hour markets of crypto, has reacted, clearly reacted to that here, as we see here once again on that hour of 1800 hours, when things gotten crazy. Well, crypto has responded as a result. So going through Sunday, we see here crypto is continue to hover up, 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 and as I said, things have been hovering around, been pretty much dancing really close to 63,000. Right now it's at 62,900. It's really, really borderline here. So like I say, sometimes things political can play a role in the markets. And while we are at this almost 5 o'clock in the morning here, I expect that the markets, as far as traditional markets, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, things on that end will probably rally as well here. That is my best estimate right here, as things have pretty much been solidified here. Not to be political, but the way things turned out this weekend, a lot of people may not want to hear this, but this solidified the fact that this guy will be the next president. Love him or hate him, that brings certainty in as far as how things will go. Basically, when it was Biden that became president back in November, the market started rallying from that uh, during November, and that's when Bitcoin soon after started rallying. And with this, yeah, we are back at where we should be here at above 60,000, and going back more into the crypto side of things here, the point of liquidations. Now, I made a point to point this out in my last couple videos that, as I said, there are people that are degenerate gamblers. That basically they bet that the markets will go up or go down. And right here, we see that there are several people who have put in bets that the market was going to go down. And, well, as we see here, there's people that will be liquidated. So, right here is someone, like I say, I use CoinMarketCap for my information here as far as, my go to information. And there's people that follow here, and courtesy of IO Crypto. Uh, we see right here that if Bitcoin pumps to 65,000, which is a very strong possibility, there's going to be quite a few liquidations, over 2 billion in shorts. And shorts, if you remember, are basically leverage bets that the markets will go down. And there were probably people that was expecting Bitcoin to drop down to 55, probably to 50. And with things right here going the opposite direction, those liquidations will boost the market even higher. So, yeah, when things hit 65,000, things is going to take off from there. So, yeah, there's chance that we could probably get to 67, if not 70,000 once again here. So, exciting times are ahead here regards to that. And now, as we, think as we get to a close of right about now here, um, yeah, I'm not gonna make this video too long here. Just wanted to capture things as they come. The main thing, uh, oh, one thing that I'm really curious about is how much are the markets gonna pump today. That's something I'll be reflecting on later on in the day, probably in the next video, which will be sometime later through this week here. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of things that's going to, well, some things happen a little faster than expected here. And well, we'll be staying tuned to it. So if you're still watching and listening, I do appreciate you. Please hit the like and subscribe button here, and also feel free to share. And until next time, stay safe out there, stay blessed. One.